Problemerne hos Danske Bank vokser og vokser.
All of this is money.
Nu lyder der også klager over arbejdsforholdene fra de ansatte i bankens estiske filial.
They say I clean 15 million, then they say new number 800 million. We try to keep up with the washing of the money, but it is too much. Look, it's too much money to clean. Sometimes there's a lot of blood on money, not easy for make white.
There is more money to clean, 1,000 billions.
Look at all this money to clean already.
More money to clean, you clean. I am a real bank man, this is a real bank, and no reason to make a news.
Danske Bank er ellers flere gange blevet advaret om mistænkelig aktivitet i den estiske filial.
Hello, this is Central Bank of Russia.
I cannot hear you because of the sound of the machine. They try call us for 11 years, but very bad reception.
There's news about the bank. This is Thomas Borgen. He leave the bank and take a lot of money. Yeah. He is a very nice crime man. No.
More money. New number 1,500 billion.
1,500 billion is...
This is money, this is money, this is gone, you clean.
We keep up for a long time, but it's cartoon number. Danske Bank make money, Putin family make money, everyone is happy, yes?
But what you're doing here is illegal. It's not ethical.
No, this is Estonia.